Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to make a shape to be transparent in Canva. So I have this design and there's a photo of the Mount Fuji and there's a circle, red circle in the middle. I'm going to make this circle shape to be transparent. One way to do that is by clicking on the circle or on the shape, and you want to go to the toolbar menu, click on transparency, and you can adjust the slider to the level of transparency that you want to achieve for that particular circle or that particular shape. So that's, I think, the easiest way to do that. Another method is by applying a transparent gradient color. So let's go back, making it fully visible again. And I'm going to click on this shape, click color, and click add a new color. Go to gradient, and I'm going to set second color to be the same as the first one. I guess I'm going to copy the color code. And let's paste that on the second color. But this time around, I'm going to adjust the transparency. So basically the other half of the color is transparent. So when you're done, you can see that this side is transparent, but this side is not. And I think it's going to give a bit more attractive look to the shape compared to a simple solid color. But in any case, I hope you find this video helpful, and I will see you on the next video.